Hey everyone, thanks for joining me on this unboxing of the Reloop Spin portable turntable. I was able to purchase this from openformat.com. We'll just get into it here. Okay, and this is the corporate packaging for the Reloop Spin. Very decorative, lots of graphics, lots of features outlined all over the surface. And we'll just go ahead and crack this open. Alright, and here we go. On top we've got the instruction booklet and a black card with just like a thank you note on the back side. In this box were the wall adapters for various countries. I'm not sure how a box inside of a box gets damaged, but the units themselves are fine. So they've got adapters for the main countries this unit is supported in, including the United States, so it's good to go. Alright, we're pulling the turntable out here, and if you look right here, that's the USB cord taped inside of the styrofoam. I missed it on my initial pass, but just letting you know so you don't throw away the styrofoam and the cord itself by accident. Alright, in this cardboard sleeve we've got the 7-inch spin and scratch disc. One side some sample phrases to scratch over. The other side some drums. On the white side some drums that you can scratch over or scratch with. Also included in the cardboard sleeve is the Reloop branded slip mat. Okay, we're removing the non-static packaging, and here's the Reloop unit itself. Taking the locks off and removing the cover. It's a domed cover with a Reloop Spin logo on the top. The Reloop Spin is pretty light, it's all plastic, so that makes sense. It looks nice. Here you can see the speaker and the aux in jack. This is the side with the handle, pretty sturdy for carrying. And when I flip this over, you can see the Kensington lock slot, USB recording port, the headphones jacks, the master out for RCA, and on and off button. All in all, definitely looking like a well-constructed unit. I'll just peel the tape off of the tone arm and put the slip mat on, and it should be good to go. So I'm definitely not a DJ, this is just a new hobby for me, so looking forward to doing some training and practicing and posting my results here on YouTube. And that's it for this. Thank you very much for joining.